Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. First of all, dear students, please confirm audio and video is clear or not. Everyone, please confirm that the audio and video is clear or not. So, as we know very well, here in this session, we are going to deal with the everything is clear. Welcome to IMS Gate Academy. First of all, dear. Okay. So here I can see. Alright. So here we know very well, in this session, we already started the excellent practice question series for the general aptitude. In this session, we are going to start with the questions of permutation and combination. So we will go with the questions based on the PNC, permutation and combination. Let's start with the very first question, dear students. If you can hear me, if audio video is clear, you can just write down in the comment box also. Alright. So let's start with the very first question. This is a basic question from the PNC, permutation and combination. How many words with or without meaning can be formed by using all the letters of the word pencil, using each letter exactly once? So the process is same. First of all, the question is here in front of you. You guys will try. I will give you the time, and then we will have the detailed solution. We will have the detailed discussion of each and every question. So let's start with this one, dear students. First of all, a very simple question, very easily you guys can try it. So the question is asking about simple, how many possibilities are there, how many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word pencil. Okay, and here the repetition is not allowed, which is clearly mentioned in the question that the repetition is not allowed. Go for it, dear students, just go for it. So what should be your result? Just go for it, everyone. Yes, dear students, what is the result? Let's approach it. And the question is very simple. We know very well. Here it is asking about the basic question from the permutation combination. So it is given to us that we are having a word pencil. Okay. So if I will just talk about this one, I am having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are having 3 and 5, 1 plus 1, 6 places are there and 6 alphabets are there. So it's very simple. If you don't want to just fit here, so we can just see that I am having a pencil, 6 letter word. So if I need to arrange these 6 letters at the 6 places, because it is mentioned now how many words with or without meaning formed by using all the letters. It is clearly mentioned all the letters. So all the letters means if there are 6 letters, so we need to take all the 6 letters to make the new sentence or to make the new word. So here I can say that, ma'am, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places are there, or we just used to approach like this one now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are having 6 places, we are having 6 letters. So 6 places we need to arrange with the 6 letters. So it will be 6p6 means 6 factorial. 6 factorial is nothing but product of first 6 natural numbers. So it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So when we will open this one, the result is 720. 720 is the answer. 720, 720 is the answer. Very easily we can approach it, bachcho. Right? So one of the very simple question, very easy question. Let's go with the next question. So what is this? Now this is a good question from the circular. A round table conference is to be held between delegates of 15 companies. In how many ways can they be seated if delegates from 2 MNCs may wish to sit together? So here what is given to us? Total around the round table you need to do the arrangement. So round table conference is to be held between how many persons? 12 companies. In how many ways can they be seated if delegates from 2 MNCs may wish to sit together? We are having options also, so there is no need to solve so much. So you can directly approach the question. Still I am giving you enough time to solve this question. Everybody just go for it. Everybody just go for it. Let's go for it, everyone. Yes, dear students, if whatever the result you are getting, please reply in the comment box so that I will get to know what result you are getting, whether it is right, wrong, whatever you are having, just write down in the comment box. Now, let's approach it. Anyone is there with the reply? No one is there with the reply. Are you getting the result? Bachcho, chalo. Let's approach it. So, very simple question. What it is saying? 15%. So, now first of all, we can say that if you are talking about the round table, so let's make a circle so that we can understand this point very easily. So, you are talking about a round table. Around the round table, as it is not mentioned that, yeah. Amit Singh, Ankur sir, signal system कब continue करेंगे? Remind करा दीजिएगा. Yeah, I will convey your thing to sir, but I don't know actually when the sir will continue. The sir can only tell you. Okay, so what I am saying, the important thing, bachcho, as it is mentioned that we need to arrange the 15%. So suppose this is first person. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let me start from here. 14 and 15. So we need to arrange 15 persons around a circular table. It's not okay when we are arranging around a circular table persons now. So it's not that the meeting should be or the table should be start from here. This is the starting point. This is the ending point. No. We can start from anywhere. We can end from anywhere. So here the order does not make any difference. First of all. Okay. Now one important thing is mentioned here that there are 15 companies. Out of the 15 companies, in how many ways can they be seated if delegates from 2 MNCs. Now this is an important part. 2 MNCs wants to sit together. So two MNCs persons want to sit together means suppose these 3 and 4, the MNC number 3 and MNC number 4 delegates wants to sit together. So these two persons wants to sit together. So what I will do, I will just make a bunch here. With these two persons, I will just make a bunch. So what we can do now, we can just make a bunch of these two persons. So wherever they will go together. If they will sit here, they will sit together. If they will sit here, they will sit together. So around this table, wherever they will sit, they will always sit together. So what we can do now, whenever we are having this pattern of question, we can just do a simple thing. Okay, we can just tie a string here. So I am just saying we can just make a bundle of these two persons. So this bundle will be wherever they will sit, this bundle will be there. Okay, so now if I will count, so this bundle will be bundle number 1. So now this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So now I need to arrange these 14 persons around this circular table. So this will be simply 14 factorial. Okay, but one thing is there, if I will go with these two persons, I can see person number 3 and person number 4, they can sit there, means they can interchange their position na. So internal arrangement of these two persons is possible. We can understand one very simple thing na. So internal arrangement of these two persons is possible. So we can arrange these two. So that's why here the required number of ways, or the required number is equals to 14 factorial multiply with the 2 factorial. Why I write down here 2 factorial? Because this 2 factorial is denoting the internal arrangement of these two persons. Okay, so because 3 and 4 every person is different na here. So we need to arrange these two persons, or we need to go with the internal arrangement of these two persons, which is 2 factorial and 14 factorial, because I am considering this as a one product or one group or one bundle. So that's why when you start counting from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 14 you will go. So 14 factorial into 22 factorial will be your answer. So we can see here the result, the same thing in the option C for Chennai. So this is my answer. Okay, so the answer is option C for Chennai. I hope this is clear everyone. So very easily we can approach these type of questions bachcho. Now let's come to the next one. This is a good question. Similar pattern of question has been asked in the GATE exam also. So out of 5 boys and 2 girls, a group of 3 is to be formed to coordinate a cultural program. In how many ways can it be formed if at least one girl, this is the condition, one girl is to be included. Alright, go for it. Everybody just go for it. This time maybe you will take time, but again you can solve. And if you are approaching the question, you need to write down your result in the comment box, so that I will get to know that yes, you are getting the result. Whatever it is, whether it is right or wrong, don't worry, but just try to solve, but just try to write down the result. Yes, dear students, what is the result? Had you tried? A simple question, had you tried? Yes guys, tell me what is the result? Amit is replying with 22. Okay. Anyone else is there? Let's check it out. So it's again a simple but a good question. It is asking, or it is given to us, first of all, out of the 5 boys and 2 girls, we need to make a group of 3. Okay, now what is the compulsory condition? That in that group we need to have at least 1 girl. So minimum 1 girl is required. Maximum how many girls we can take? Because here in the available we are having 2 girls, maximum are available. So minimum you can take 1 girl, maximum you can take 2 girl in that group. Okay, now let's approach it. No, it's not 22. Let's approach it. So here, if I will go with this one now, so let me make a table, simply a table for you, so that very easily you can just have everything related to that table. The first possibility, the second possibility, and here the third possibility. Let's approach it now. So what it is saying, I can see that first of all I am having number of boys, number of girls. Okay, number of boys you are having as 5, number of girls you are having as 2, and you need to make a group of 3 persons. So this is the group of 3. Okay, so group of 3 we can make by 2 cases. We can make by only 2 possibilities are there. Let's have a discussion. Only 2 possibilities are there, bachcho, for making the group. Let's have a discussion. So the first is, you are saying, ma'am, at least 1 girl. So I can take 1 girl or 2 boy, because I need to make ultimately the group of 3 persons. So I can start from the at least 1 na, so I can start from the minimum 1 girl. So either in that group one girl is there, or 2 boys will be there, 1 girl and 2 boy. Second, we can go with the 2 girl or the 1 boy, because here ultimately I need to go with the number of persons will be here 3 only. So we cannot increase this number. So 1 2 or 2 1 will be there. Now let's go with the what I need to do here. I need to go with the simple selection now. So out of the 5 boys, if I will select 1 boy, so it will be 5C1. In the first case, I just selected 1 boy and 2 girl. 1 boy and, I am using the word and. So we know very well, whenever in the probability, whenever in the PNC and is there, we need to use the multiplication. So when I will go here with 5C1 multiply with, out of the 2 girls, I need to select both the 2 girls. So it will be 2C2. So 5C1 is 5, 2C2 is 1. So this is 5 first of all. This is 5 bachcho first of all, right? So very easily we can approach first thing. Now the same second case, out of the 5 boys, we need to select 2 boys. So 5C2 multiply with, out of the 2 girls, we need to select only 1 girl. So this is 2C1. 5C2 is 10. Okay, 5C2 is 10. If you will solve 5C2, this is nothing but 5 into 4 by 2. So when we will solve, this is 5 2 ja 10, and 2C1 is 2. So this is what? This is 20. So total number of ways. So here we can see that either this case is possible, beta, or this case is possible. The question is asking about how many ways. So total number of ways we need to find out now. So you can write down here the required numbers will be either this one or this one. So whenever in the probability or in the permutation and combination, question is giving you the sense of or. So what I can say, either case number 1 is possible or case number 2 is possible. So whenever I am having the sense of or, I will use the plus here. So 5 plus, the next is what? 20. So my answer will be 2 5 25 pyare bachcho. So very easily we can solve. So hence our answer will be, final answer will be option D for Delhi here. So very easily we can approach the question, which is D for Delhi as in final answer. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Alright guys, now let's come to the next question. So this, in this way, okay, although we can solve the question directly also, we can write down here, this is the possibility. But what is the benefit of making table here? When you will make the table now, so first of all, everything is clear. at the one place only. Okay, and there is no need to write down the language, so we can avoid writing the unnecessary language. We can just save our time. So that's why directly you can approach the questions by using table also. All right, now let's come to the next word. Next question: if all the S come together, then in how many ways the letter of the word successful be arranged? A good question again. Dear students. So you should try this question. Everybody should try. Whatever is you are getting the result, please write down in the comment box, so that I will get to know what answer you are getting, what approach you are getting, whether it is right or wrong. We will discuss here in the detail. So just go for it, everybody. If all S come together, then in how many ways the letters of the word successful be arranged? All S together. We are having options? Yeah, we are having options. Go for it, bachcho. Yes, bachcho. Yeah, Amit is there with C option. Let's check it out. So what it is saying, first of all, let's read the question. It is saying that all the S come together. Let me write down the word which is given to you. S U double C E double S, successful. Okay, this is the word given to you, and the question is asking about all the S comes together. All the S comes together. So first of all, what we can do, we can just write down how many S we are having here. 3S. So write down all the S together and make a bundle. Write down all the S together and make a bundle. So just write down remaining alphabets. We are having U double C E F U L. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and one place is here for this bundle. So when we will start counting now, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now I am having 8 letters and 8 places. Try to understand, bachcho. Earlier we were having here in this one we were having 11 letters. Okay, but as in the question it is mentioned in this word successful, all the S you need to put it together. So all the S must be together. So what we can do, we can just write down all the S together and we can make a bundle of those S. So you can say this is a bundle of S. Alright, so wherever they will go together. So now we will count this as a one quantity only. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 things we are having, or 8 letters we are having, 8 places we are having. We need to make the arrangement. So it will be, the required number of arrangement will be 8p. 8 means 8 factorial divided by, as here we can see, I am not talking about this one. Here we can see the outer alphabets or outer letters. We are having some repetition of letters also. So I can see U is repeating 2 times. So divided by 2 factorial. C is also repeating 2 times. So multiply with 2 factorial also. Now one thing we can see that the internal arrangement of these S is possible. I will show you internal arrangement of these S is possible. So we are having how many S? We are having 3 S, 3 places. So this will be 3 factorial divided by repetition. These S are repeating 3 times. So that's why na, this will be cancelled out. 3p3 by 3 factorial, it will be cancelled out. That's why we did not mention, and even we don't use to mention like this one. So what is the reason behind this? You can understand that all these 3 letters are same. If I will go with the logical part now, so this is the mathematical part, that if I will write down the internal arrangement of these 3 S, so it will be 3p3 by 3 factorial as npn. If you want to write down here the npn, if I am having n objects, out of the all n objects, if I want to go with the arrangement, so it will be n factorial. So npn is always is equals to n factorial. All right. So here if I will go with, or if I want to go with the internal arrangement of these 3 objects, so it will be 3p3 divided by repetition. The repetition, these 3 are repeating 1 2 3 all 3 times. So that's why divided by 3. So 3 factorial by 3 factorial is 1. First logic is this one. Second, here we can directly understand that, ma'am, all the letters inside this bundle are S. So all the letters are same to same. When the letters are same to same, then there is no need of internal arrangement. It does not make any difference now. How we can arrange the things when the total number of objects are distinct, beta. So here the number of objects are not distinct, they are same. So when they are same, so it does not make any difference ki either this S is here at this place, or at the third place, or at the second place. It does not make any difference. So that's why we will not write down this one, or if you want to write down, I just show you everything here, so you can just go with the comparison also. So this will be my answer. So as I can have answer in the option form, so 8 factorial by 2 factorial by 2 factorial. So if you want to solve, this is 8 into 7 by 720 by 4. So when you will solve now, the result is 10080. When you will solve this one now, 4 2 ja 8, the result is 720 into 14, the result is 10080 beta. Please check, everyone, just please check. Let me also, we are having 720 into 14 is 10080. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, very easily bachcho, we can approach this question. Very simply we can approach this question. Let's go for the next one. Okay, a good question again from the geometry side. So which one of the following polygon has as many diagonals as the number of sides in it? So it is mentioned here the number of diagonals are equal to number of sides. So as many diagonals as number of sides here. Everyone, just go for it. Number of sides or number of diagonals are same here. Just approach it, everyone. Yeah, Sahers is with D. D means 7. D means 7. I don't think so. Let's check it out. So here first of all we need to use one simple formula, number of polygons. So if I want to use here the number of polygons is always is equals to number of straight lines. Okay, we are having NC2, number of straight lines, minus the number of diagonals. So NC2 minus N. NC2 is the number of straight lines, minus N is the number of diagonals. Okay, so as here it is mentioned to me that the number of polygon, which one of the following polygon has as many diagonals as the number of side. So number of sides I want to find out here. So number of sides will be number of vertices. So here you can directly take this formula as NC2 minus N is equals to N. So I can assume that let us assume that the number of polygons are N. So NC2 minus N is equals to N. So NC2 is equals to 2N. So if I will, according to this one, why I put here N, number of diagonals is equals to number of sides. So now as it is given to me in the question, we are having options. So what we can do now, we will just directly, means one by one we will put the options and we can check which option is satisfying this condition. If I will go with the first option, which is 4, if I will put here, so this is 4C2 is equals to 2N, means 2 into 4. Left hand side and right hand side, both sides I will put the value of N. N means here 4. So if I will put N is equals to 4, so it will be 4C2. 4C2 is 4 into 3 by 2 means 6. 4 into 3 by 2. When you will solve, this is 6 and here 8. So I can understand that 6 is not equals to 8. So option A cannot be there first of all. When I will go, yeah, very good. I can see the reply by the Saharsh and Harshal, option C. Yeah, very good. Shabash. It is 5. Okay, so here when I will go with the second option is 6. So 6 when I will use here in the option B, so this is again 6C2 is equals to 2 into 6, 12. So I need a 12, but we know very well this is NC2 is half of N, half of N is 3, 3 5 is 15. So this is not equal, right? This is also not equal. When I will go with the third option is 5. So when we are having 5, so when we will put here 5C2 is equals to 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10 and 5C2 is also half of 2, means 2 2 ja 4, right? And here we are having 5 2 ja 10. So this is equal. So this is giving me the correct answer because the option C4 Chennai 5 is satisfying my condition, which is saying that the number of diagonals is equals to number of sides beta. So that's why we can directly conclude that the result is what, bacho? Result is 5. Okay, clear? Now let's come to the next question, a good question. What is the total number of 4 digits numbers that can be formed using the digits 0 1 2 3 4 5 without repetition such that the number is divisible by 9, such that the number is divisible by 9. So here we need to make a 4-digit number, and that 4-digit number must be divisible by 9 first of all. Okay, so you need to be careful here. We are going to use here the two things. You should know how we can identify, or you should know the rule of divisibility of 9. So you should know how to identify the numbers divisible by 9. Go for it, everyone. Just go for it. A good question. Everyone just try. Yes बच्चों, tell me what is the answer. Had you tried? If yes, then what is the result? If you tried, then what is the result? Now, yeah. Anyone is there with the reply? Let's check it out. So first of all, now we need to understand, as I told you beta, that here we need to identify two things. First is the 4-digit number, definitely, okay, made by the given digits. Second is that number must be divisible by 9. So we can understand that we need to make a number which is divisible by 9. So do you know what is the divisibility rule of 9, or how we can identify a number is divisible 9 or no, right? If sum of all the digits is divisible by 9, so we know that sum of all digits is divisible by 9. Then the number will be divisible by 9. So here it is given to me which numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? And as the repetition is not allowed, okay, so there is now only two possibilities, means two sets we can take. For making a 4-digit number, I need to make a 4-digit number now, 1, 2, 3 or 4. So for making this 4-digit number, I can go with the two sets only. Among the two sets, set means I will write down here, because I need the sum is divisible by 9. So here I can see sum is divisible by 9. So yeah, anyone is there? No. Alright. So sum is divisible by 9 means here we can write down that the number is possible. How the number is possible? Look at here. So either you can write down 0, 1. Okay, we are having 0 plus 1. It does not make any difference now. So 0, 1, 3 or 5, because I need to make a 4-digit number. So either I can take 0, 1, 3 or 5. Right now I am talking about only the sets. Which number I can take for making a 9-digit number, for making a 4-digit number which is divisible by 9. So I am not saying that the 0 will be here. No, I am not arranging the things. Right now I am just doing the selections. So how the selection is possible? Selection is possible, ma'am. We need a number which is divisible by 9. So divisible by 9 means the sum of all the digits must be divisible by 9. So if I will take 0, 1, 3 and 5. So the total is 5 plus 4, 9. So this is divisible by 9. Okay. Or suppose if I don't want to take this one, then what is the possibility? I can take 0, 2, 3 or 4. Again 7 plus 2 is 9. So these are the only two possibilities, because this is also divisible by 9. So we can take only, means we are having only these two sets. So either I will make the 4-digit number taking these numbers, or I will take a 4-digit number taking these 4 numbers. Is it clear, beta? So here either we can make the 4-digit number using these 4 or using these 4. Only two possibilities are there. So suppose if I want to use the first one, means 0, 1, 3 and 5. Through this one, if I want to make a 4-digit number, so I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. But out of the available 4 numbers, at this first position, any 3 are possible. Means among 1, 3 and 5 you can take any number, but 0 cannot be here at the first position. Why? We know very well. If I will take 0 at the first position, now it will not be a 4-digit number, because if I will write down here 0 now, if I am writing 0, 1, 2, 3, so this is not a 4-digit number, this is a 3-digit number. So 0 should not be at the first position. So that's why we cannot take 0 at the first position. So here among these 3 numbers, any one is possible. So 3C1. And now the repetition is not allowed. So whatever the one number you take here, we can just leave that one. Now the among available 3 number including 0, any one is possible. So this is 3C1. The remaining 2, 2C1. The remaining 1, 1C1. So when you will multiply 3 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is 9 2 ja 18. So in the first case we are having result as a 18. In the first case we are having result as an 18. Right? The same we will have for the second case also, because the digits are 0, 2, 3, 4 now. So this is same. When I will go for the second digit, we are having 0, 2, 3, 4. I need to make 1, 2, 3, 4 digit number. So when I will solve this one, so what is the possibility? 0 cannot be here at the first position. Among these 3, anyone is there. So this will be 3C1. Now the 0 is possible here, but the one number which we take here we cannot take again. Repetition is not allowed. So here also 3 possibilities. Here 2 number of ways, here 1 number of ways. So total is again 18 here. Either case number 1 is possible or case number 2 is possible. Either this is possible for the 4 digit number which is divisible by 9, or this is possible for the 4 digit number which is divisible by 9. So my total number of ways or the required number of ways will be beta 18 plus 18, 36. The required number of ways will be 18 plus 18, 36. So we can approach it, and the result we can see in the option A for Ahmedabad. The result we can see in option A for Ahmedabad. I hope this thing is also clear to everyone. So how to deal with these type of questions? This is a good question we should understand before approaching, because now gradually here I will take the 2 sessions of PNC. This is the first session. Next Tuesday we will have one more session of the PNC, so that now you will just get to know that we are increasing the difficulty level of the PNC here. So initially the question which I take here for the question of pencil, okay, that was a easy question, but gradually we are increasing here the number of the level of difficulty also. Now let's come to the next question. A good question again. So in how many ways can 5 books on English, 3 on science and 6 on geography be arranged on a shelf so that the books on each subject are always together? Books, what it is mentioned, books of each or books on each subject always together. So we are having 5 books of English, we are having 3 of science, we are having 6 of geography. So we need to arrange the books. We need to arrange the books. Akansha. Okay. Thank you so much for your lovely reply. Big fan of you. Thank you Akansha. Recorded classes dekhti hu. Okay, very good. So shabash. We continue with the recorded classes also. Alright, so here a very good question we are having, bachcho, so that the books on each subject are always together. So what is the intention? It is saying wherever these 5 books will be go, they will be together. Wherever will be these 3 science book will be go, they will be together. Wherever will be these 6 geography book will be go, they will be together. So if you can understand this, the question is literally very easy if you can get the language from here. So just try, everyone, just try. Just try प्यारे बच्चों, it will not take more time. Go for it. Go for it. Everybody, a simple question you can solve, you can get the result very, very easily. Okay. Akansha is saying the reply is question option is 3. Is it? Is it? Be little bit careful. Little bit careful, beta. Everyone else, just go for it. Okay, Aditya is with A. Shabash. Very good. Because now, if you are approaching the result as C, though you are missing one very simple concept beta here. You are missing a very good, Akansha. Now the result is very good, very good. Now the result is A for Ahmedabad. Because now Here you forgot to do the internal arrangement. Now let's read the question again. You are saying here we are having 5 books of English. Okay ji. Now the next we are having 3 books of science. Okay ji. And next we are having 6 books of geography. So here we are having 6 books. So we can understand, as I can write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. I will directly write down this is the bunch of English book, this is the bunch of science book, this is the bunch of geography book. Okay. So we are having 1, 2, 3 bunches or 3 bundles we are having. We need to arrange 3 bundles. So this is the first position, this is the second position, this is the third position. So in the shelf I am having 3 places. I need to arrange these 3 bundles on 3 places. So it will be first of all 3p3. Okay, 3p3 means, ma'am, internal arrangement of these 3. Yeah, exactly. So this is 3p3 means 3 factorial. Okay, now whether these 5 English books can arrange themselves? Yeah, surely. So this is the arrangement 5 factorial. Can these 3 science book, okay, internally arrange themselves? Surely. So this is 3 factorial. Can these 6 geography books can internally arrangement of themselves? Yeah, surely. So this will be 6 factorial. So this will be my final answer, beta. 3 factorial multiply with 5 factorial multiply with 3 factorial multiply with 6 factorial. So which I can see in option A for Ahmedabad. This is the final answer. Shabash. Very good. Aditya, Akanchan, Saharsh. Absolutely right. So I hope you guys are getting my point, how to approach it, how to just solve these type of questions. Chalo. Now let's come to the next question, a simple question. In how many different ways can the letters of the word therapy, T-H-E-R-A-P-Y, therapy be arranged so that the vowels never come together? Vowels in this word therapy never come together. Go for it, bacho. Everybody just go for it. Just go for it. Yes, bachcho, go for it. Yes, Saharsh is with C. Very good. Shabash. Anyone else? Had you tried, bacho? If you tried, what is the result? Very good. Akansha is also with C. Shabash. Let's approach it. Let's go for it. So here it is saying that no two vowels or the vowels never come together. All right. So first of all, I will write down the word which is given to me, therapy. T-H-E-R-A-P-Y. All right. So how many vowels we are having? We are having A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So this is the vowel and this is the vowel. We are having only two vowels here. So we can write down the number of vowels are 2 and the remaining will be what? Consonants. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 consonants we are having. Okay. You are saying that the two vowels never come together. So alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will just write down here the consonant. So here this place will be consonant, 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 consonant and consonant. So I am having 5 consonant. I can see, let me write down consonant. This is the blank space. Consonant, then again the consonant 3, 4 or 5. So here we are having blank space. So we are having 5 consonants, but look at the number of space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are having 6 blank spaces and 5 consonant. Okay, at these 6 places, at these 6 blank spaces, you can choose any 2 places, or you can arrange the 2 vowels on these 6 places. It's up to you. So I will write down directly here that the required number of ways will be, we are having 6 places now. So 6 places, and we need to arrange on these 6 places 2 vowels. So this will be 6P2 first of all. Okay. This is the simple thing for the 6P2, but this is for the vowels arrangement. We are having consonants also. So what about the arrangement of consonant? We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consonant now. So 6P2 multiply with the 5 consonant. So this is 5 consonant means 5P5, that is 5 factorial. So 6P2 multiply with 5P5 means 5 factorial. So you can directly solve this one, and when you will solve, you can get the result 3600. So if you want to solve this one, this will be 6 factorial. This will be this will be 6 factorial. Okay, we are having here when we will solve, this is 6 minus 2 is 4 factorial, multiply with 5 factorial. So this is 720 into 5, and 4 and 4 will be gone. So when I will just solve this one, 0, 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35 and 1, 3600 will be my answer. So this I can see in option C4 Chennai, 3600. As NPR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial. So we can open like this one, n factorial by n minus r factorial, and we can get the result very easily, beta. Right? So how simply we can solve the question, but if you know the logic behind this one, so we should know that how we are approaching the question, what is the condition given in the question, we need to use that condition and we need to solve the question. Chaliye, now let's come to the next question. Okay, as this question now I want to give you as a homework. This is a very good question. If the letters of the word Verma, and even you guys can try with your name also. Okay, if the letters are not repeating, then very easily you can approach. If the letters are repeating in your word, then you will take in your spelling, then you will take time. But you can try this question. I want to give you this question as a homework, beta. If the letters of the word Verma, V-E-R-M-A, are arranged in all possible ways, and these words are written out as in dictionary. Okay. So then when the rank of the word Verma is here, so arrange in, if we will arrange this as an alphabetically, we will go for the arrangement of this this word Verma. Then when I will just rearrange this one, so what is the dictionary, when we will check this one in the dictionary na, so what is the rank of this word Verma in the dictionary? So surely you guys can try this one very easily. Okay, we are having one more, and this is also simple. Okay, so just take this question as a homework and this also as a homework. So similar pattern of question we already approached. In how many ways can a committee of 4 women and 5 men be chosen from 9 women and 7 men if Mr. A refuses to serve on the committee if Miss B is the member? So this is also very good, and the similar pattern of question we approached in the classroom also. So but to just try these 2 questions as an homework. We will just solve these questions and more questions based on the permutation and combination in the next session, as this series is an excellent practice questions. So you guys should not miss this one, because here we are going with every topic. We are taking here the every topic. You can see there is a playlist also. So many topics we covered here. Okay, we started with the number system, we approached the profit and loss, percentage, ratio, proportion. So every topic we just covered till now. So you can just check those questions also, because in every session questions are very good. The questions are level of even, okay, few questions we take intentionally as in tough, otherwise the questions are of the GATE exam level, so you can try those questions also either in the recording. Alright guys, so we will just try these questions, we will just solve these questions, you guys will try these questions, we will have a detailed discussion on these questions on the next session. Okay guys, so that's it from this session. Stay connected to IMS GATE Academy YouTube channel. Thank you, bye bye, take care.